If I didn't find it amusing and laugh, I'd be sickened and crying. It blows my mind how all of these car dealerships preach our customer service is top notch. Our reps are the most educated on our products. We don't play games. We care about our customers. Yet their employees do the exact freaking opposite. My name is Stuart Cooper, and after 6.5 years of working for a local car dealership, I've learned a thing or two about how to properly help a customer when they request help. And I'm here to share that knowledge with those of you smart enough to listen and take this free advice. This video isn't even for consumers like all of my other videos. It's for those of you in sales, any type of sales, selling cars, toilets, RVs. Sales is sales. Back when I was selling cars, if a customer who wasn't in store asked me for something, I would give them exactly what they wanted, how they wanted it, as quickly as I could. It's really not that hard to do what the customer wants. And it helped me more often than it hurt me because it showed I could listen to them and respond how they wanted. Something most of you, let's face it, don't know how to do. Huh? Did you say something important? Now that I'm a car consultant, I have to reach out to a lot of car dealers. I like to do it via email because then I can keep track of each dealership and what they say. Yet every single one of those dealerships starts with the typical, "When would you like to come in?" The man-child who came up with that line must have had the worst pickup lines when trying to meet girls. Asking a customer when they want to come in before you've earned the right to ask them to come in is like asking a girl at a bar, "Your place or mine?" Without even trying. You have no right to do so. After the initial email of when did you want to come in, I then give instructions on how I want you to help me. I say I prefer email, and please email me this, or please email me this spec sheet. Yet, time and time again, you still keep asking me when I'll be coming in. Heads up, I'm not coming in. You will be working at my pace or not at all. Sometimes you write back saying, "I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't ask you to come in, sir." You haven't earned the right to ask me to come in, but I did give you the tools to succeed and be a step closer to helping me, and you fail miserably, time and time again. Same with asking to speak via the phone. Please give me a call so we can discuss. What is your best number? The phone number that we have for you isn't right. I never even gave you a phone number. If I wanted to talk to you, I would have picked up the phone and called. If I wanted to go into the dealership, I would have taken myself to the dealership because I wanted to go in, or the consumer wanted to go in, not because you asked me to. Even more, I love the emails that say, "Please let me know when you like to schedule your VIP appointment." What the heck is that? Are you going to roll out a red carpet and have photographers that are taking pictures of me as I show up to test drive the car, take some selfies with it, and then put them on Insta? Stop trying to make a car buying experience more appealing than it is. It's buying a car, a stressful experience that very few people enjoy, and a very expensive procedure, it feels like sometimes. Stop being dumb. Be a better person than that. If a customer says they want to do business a certain way, do business their way. They are literally telling you how to earn their business. Stop being dense. Doing what your BS Grant Cardone 101 training tells you to do. The other training that we had was so bad I don't even remember, but the amount of drugs they must have done back in the 80s was insane. Stop asking your customers to come in when you haven't earned the right. But why should you listen to me? Well, maybe because I sold over 1,700 cars in 6.5 years. That's an average of 22 vehicles a month. Through COVID, with no cars on the lot. I sold almost 30 cars a month pre-COVID. So maybe, just maybe, I know what I'm talking about. This video is actually to help you dummies help a customer, even though I want them to call me first and have me help them beat you up on a price. Not everyone will, obviously, but I would like them to. But this video is for you to help you boost your own bottom line and to sell more cars. Here is a big hint. Do what the customer wants, how they want, when they want, the way they want. If they want to work via email, send them the freaking email. You can be taking a crap and responding to them on your phone. You can reply to a text while walking to the sales office to get yelled at by your 2-time divorced manager. Don't send a video as the first response either. It's not cute. You aren't special. Don't try to make it into something it's not. Text the person if you do have their number. Would you like to have a video chat by the car you are interested in so I can go over it with you? You would be surprised at how well that worked. You show them the car in real time, something very, very few are doing. So, morons, pay attention to this part. You can show them everything in the car and also tell their excitement level about the car in real time. If they liked it, great. Then you invite them in. With limited supply and spending a few minutes earning the right to ask them in, yes, that's the time. If they didn't like the car, you wasted 10 minutes versus 2 hours of them being there. Which would you prefer? I'll say it again. Work at the consumer's pace, not yours. Letting the customer dictate direction, timing, and their needs isn't bad. That's what I did when they were there, when they weren't there. And obviously, it worked well for me over the years because I sold so many cars than most of you. While I prefer to spend my time helping car buyers, I want to make the whole car buying experience better for everyone. So please take this advice. Stay tuned because more videos are on the way.